Yeah. Uh, so yesterday we had UOM, unit of measure concept understanding, right? Here we have in interview also you may face this question. Inter-class uh, conversion, intra-class conversion. Okay. So within the class, yes, I'll create a conversions between two unit of measures. Example, class weight conversion, kilograms and grams. Likewise, we will maintain multiple, more than one class. Between two classes also, we can do the conversions. Okay. Yeah, where you will start creating unit of measures. Navigation, go to setup and maintenance. Um, Offering, manufacturing and supply chain material management. So then go to items. Here you will find manage unit of measures. First, create a class. Without class, you cannot create unit of measure. First, you need to define class. Uh, Here you can enter some name. Already weight class is there. So here LT WT weight class name LT underscore weight description also. This is the unit of measure is base unit of measure. So what is the unit of measure for conversion? So generally currency conversions we use USD dollar, right? The same way here, it is not always one. This is within the class. Within the class, I can maintain what is the base unit of measure. So generally, which unit of measure use regularly, that you can take as a base unit of measure. Okay. Or otherwise, here still, if you want, you can maintain like this. Something like this. Yeah, something like kg to grams, liters to ml, something like that. Also, you can naming convention, anything you can maintain, no problem. Here, LGM, gram, is my base unit of measure. Same way, name you can maintain. LT underscore gram, like this. So now what I did, one class I defined, one base unit of measure I created. Save it. Likewise, what are the different types of unit of measures maintaining? You should define. Okay, now I'll just show you already defined. See, this many for understanding purpose, testing purpose, already in the seeded predefined classes are there. You can verify this for understanding. See, this is seeded one. Here, base unit of measure. No, not this is the seeded one. Weight. So given some ZZ or something like that they given. Uh, it's a standard code. It is pound. Here they taken um, what unit of measure code, unit of measure name, description. These are standard codes and names. Also, you can check, verify in Google also. Wait, unit of measures. See some, yeah, this is the conversion also, right? Here, 1 gram, 1 kilogram equal to, this is the conversion, 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 grams. 1 ton equal to some 10 lakh grams. So likewise, megaton, 1 gigaton. Like this, I can maintain. Okay. And also in volume is the another unit of measure. So here is cubic inch is the base unit of measure they define volume. So volume generally we use for area, right? Inches, size, and yeah, many are there. Mhm. But real time, real environment, you will not find this many. Here for understanding purpose, preparation purpose, we can use this. So this is the frequency. This is the one class. Here we can use, we can define all frequency related unit of measure under this. Okay. So here, from here you can find it. See, if you take the class, suppose weight, search. See, under this weight class, this many different unit of measures defined. But here base unit of measure is what? Pound, LB. Pound is the base unit of measure. So then a centigram, gram, kilogram, pound, metric ton, milligram, ounce, short ton. See, many are there. These are all weight related unit of measures only. Same way. Volume is the one of the class under that defined this many different unit of measure, liter, cubic. I don't know why they created like this. Both here, see, liter is the which belongs to some different unit of measure class, and inches, foot, milli. Here they define. Just you understand, okay. You don't think why they listed inches, foot. Those generally we use for distance, right? Area. Likewise, we can create it. And yeah, here only you will find the standard unit of measure conversion. See, man is UIM standard conversions. So the standard conversions you can define without item. So generally, irrespective of item, this conversion value will be same. This will not change item to item, product to product. So in those such a unit of measures conversions you can define here, right? 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 grams. It's never change. Item can be anything. 1 liter equal to 1,000 mls. It's a standard conversion. 1 dozen equal to 12 eaches. It's a standard conversion. But 1 box equal to how many eaches? Will you answer for that? We cannot answer. That is not a standard conversion. That depends on product, item, that conversion will be different. Yes, I defined two conversion, two unit of measures, box and each. But I cannot define conversion, standard conversion. That will be always different from product to product. So here, see, when you click on search, say 1 day equal to 24 hours. It is standard conversion, right? So 1,000 grams, one kilogram, 1 kilogram equal to 1,000 grams. This is the standard conversion. You can define like this. Okay. And next, coming to intra class. Those you will define organization level. So standard unit of measures conversions will maintain at global level. So those conversions intra class that will maintain at inventory level. Just one I am taking seeded inventory. Just try to understand. Okay. Here see item, based on item only I can enter here. Okay, this will discuss again later. So now unit of measures I define. So next word to define item, what other setups required? Again back to product management. So items. So here also it is there. In the product management also it is there. And next word, item class. Manage item class. So another mandatory important setup to define item in master organization, item class is mandatory. But here in the system, you will find one seeded item class. In the real time, in licensed version also you will find this root item class. Under this root item class, you will define your own item classes. Right. See class. Yes, where anywhere, right? What is the class? Similar kind of things, products, I'll maintain under one class, right? Which belongs to those will have similar kind of characteristics, right? Those I'll keep it under what item class. Suppose vegetables is the one item class. Under this item class, I will define different names of vegetables. Right. Again, those vegetables you can categorize also, right? All vegetables comes under one class. Some vegetables you can classify it again. So these are vegetables comes under this item class. Sorry, a category, item category. This comes under this item category, like that. Same way, another item class, snacks. And what spices. In spices also we'll have many different products. Same way coming to manufacturing automobiles. Um, so some spares like accessories, I'll define as one item class. Under accessories also many different spares I'll maintain, right? Those I can categorize. You don't confuse what is the item class and what is the item category, right? You can how you can manage this structure item class. Uh, Item catalog. Item category. Finally, item. So if I ask you, tell me difference between all these four. So how will you answer? See, suppose here I'll take item class as um, item class as stationaries. Item class as I'll take as um, stationary product. Okay. Item catalog I'll define as here I'll define as paper stationery. One is paper stationery. Another one is computer stationery. So two catalogs I'm defining. Item again under paper, we can define different item categories. So like one is uh, file category. Another one is pen category, pencil category. Like this. Again, coming to computer. So printer, some category. Under that, I will keep all printer related spares and printer cartridge. I'll maintain like this. Items are here. So final items like 200 pages book, 500 pages book, some A4 size box file, A4 size paper file, like that. You can maintain different items. Right? Yeah, I'll also tell you another simple uh, understanding. Here, you take the item classes, some I'll maintain as food items. I'll maintain food items. Item classes food item. Catalog here I can maintain food or what? How I can
Item
take.
list, restaurant, sir, item class. Then you need
Uh,
to.
yes, you can take as restaurant items or hotel items like that. So here catalogs I can maintain a food catalog and beverages catalog and desserts catalog. Three catalogs I can maintain, right? Under item catalog, under item category, I can maintain starters and veg starter, sorry, direct, so veg, non-veg, something like that. And under that starters, you will have a list of the items, list of the food items. So here also another item category, you can maintain soft drinks and some mocktails, something like that you can maintain. Here in desserts also you can maintain different categories. Under you will have a list of the items. So this is what difference between all these four. Any question here? Any still you want to explain more about this? Okay, fine. So yeah, so here this one is seeded one. In seeded one, also you can update based on your requirement a few details. Yes, the name of the item class, description, and also you can maintain under item management. You can update, enable all this, and enable new item request, maintaining approvals. So you can update, edit in a root item class also. You no need to continue with this. You can update any naming convention. Okay. But thing is here, generally we will not disrupt this. Under this, whatever require, we can. So this is parent item class. You can say parent item class. Under this parent item class, just for practice purpose and testing purpose, many item classes defined. See here, automotive item class, documentation item class, fitness and health, food and beverages. This is the one of the item class. Healthcare item class. So likewise, you can define your own item classes based on business requirement. So now when I start creating new item class, okay. Yeah, see, when I start creating new, here you can enter name, LTA underscore stationery. This is the one of the item class. So that means under this item class, always I'll define stationery items. Likewise, you can define whatever I shown you already, right? You can define those many. Save and add details. Now see parent item class, always root item class. Root item class. Here one thing we need to understand. See here, attachment categories, some information is defaulting. How this is information defaulting? It is from root item class. This already attachment category is defined like this. So it is defaulting from a root item class to my stationery item class. So here under this item class, system should allow item creation. If you don't want to use this, creating items, just disable this one. And click on this item management. And here, inherited, that means what? In root item class, how this configured item number generation method was selected, same will follow under stationary item class also. If from here you can verify it, can open here only. See here, selected none. In root item class, selected none. So that means uh, so what does that mean? Here also, so here also it will follow none only. But if you want to maintain any different, so you can select here. You can use sequence and you can update here details. Configured item number generation method. So anyway, this will discuss later. And see here, item number generation method. So inherited from parent means again from root item class. I don't want to follow what defined in item class. I want to follow myself. I will use it user defined. Item description also user defined. So that means user will enter details in item number field and item description field. And if you want to maintain any approval system, one user will create item, another user will review, and then will approve. Then only that item product can use for creating transactions. So such a item approvals, if you want to maintain, enable this one. Under this, you can maintain the approval workflow. So response required from which date, assigned to which employee, different details we can select. Any change management, any in future, any changes happened, again, any approvals required, we can maintain all this. And security. See here, see here also, all this coming from where? See here, 002 inventory is there. I haven't defined 002. It is seeded one. Okay, 050. How those are coming here? Again from root item class. From root item class, all this inherited. But anyway, real time, you will not face this. Why? Because under root item class, you will not find any details in the licensed version. So where you will find it is blank. And also let me take another window. At a time, you can open n number of browsers, tabs with the same instance, with the same user also. Okay. Yeah. So here there is the product management is there, right? Product management is there, work area. Here in product management, here see, we need actually another app. Product information management is required. Why that app is required? Product information management. There only user will define items by using this item class and all, which is not appearing. So that is the reason what I'll do here. I will add new. Here I'll take as person. Person name is lt dot person nothing but here user who will define items. My organization, I was defined two. One is master organization and another one is inventory organization. I'm giving access. So what does that mean? So he will define items under this or by using this item class. This is the duplicate actually. Now I'll change here LT. So both I assigned. Okay. Yeah, here in the bottom, we need to assign actions also. Select directly search. Here there are many different actions are there, item attributes related. You can edit, you can delete, you can update, and updating, enabling, disabling, attribute wise also available. So delete, read, and update. But here time being, I'm selecting all actions. Apply. Okay, see now KPHP inventory, this user can perform this many different actions. Same way, you can repeat for master organization also, MST also. Okay, select all and apply. Okay. And also here, there are different other tabs also there, a transactional attribute. So whatever we define, we can utilize it, our own attributes. And the pages, attribute groups based on business requirement, we can define it. But those are not mandatory immediately. Based on business requirement, we can utilize those. But coming to life cycle phases, what are the life cycle phases? Why life cycle phases are required? Maybe sometimes you may face this question. Also, it is mandatory configuration. You know, right? Product life cycle phases. Every product in globally across the organizations, everywhere, product life cycle phases will be same, right? Any product. Say if you started some business, first you will have some plans, right? So what type of product you want to develop, manufacture, sell. So whatever you product invented, developed, manufactured, what will be the life for that product? 10 years, 50 years, 100 years. You cannot expect it that those many years of life for that product, right? That depends. So likewise, we'll have a different life cycle phases. So first, if I want to, if I have any ideas, if I have any what plan to produce, first I will research on the paper, right? So then I will design it. After research, I will design on the paper. Directly physical product, I will not design it, right? First, I will have a research, a design, then we'll go for physical product development. So again, you will have some regulatory processes, approvals. So directly you cannot introduce in market, right? You cannot go for manufacturing. So suppose if you take example, any pharma product. So first they will have a research and analysis. Then they will go for designs. Then they will go for development. Then they will go for manufacturing after some time. So definitely that product will have a end life, absolute. So these are what product life cycle phases. There is some subject also, right? What is the product life cycle phase? But we don't have such a vast preparation here. So we have design. If you see here, when you select here, you will find design, right? Pre-production prototype. This can be a development, product development. Then we'll go for production. Final stage is final phase absolute. That means we'll end date it. When I'm end dating for that item, this item no longer demand in the market. Its demand is no demand. Then what I will do? I will end date it. I will stop production. So these are the different phases. You can define based on business requirement by using those these seeded phases, different phase names you can maintain. Okay. So here also design some here you can find this only design production absolute prototype pre-production stage not say. If you want, you can select it. You can define one new phase. So this phases also coming from where root item class. Why? Because in root item class already assigned. If you want, you can assign, you can create more. Okay. And the next, this is what templates and formats. Here, if you are a subject expert, while defining the items, you will enable, disable, or you will maintain some item attributes. Some information you will maintain. Yes, you are the subject expert. You are good in conceptually. So what item attributes need to enable based on item type. Item type can be a purchased item. Item type can be a make item. Always these two items only, right? Either I'll purchase, I will produce. Purchasing from outside, it's a buy item. Producing in plant, it's a make item. Always item origins, these two only. No item, no other item origin. By make. Again, under buy item, you will have a stockable item, expense item, fixed asset item. Coming to make item, you will have a different items like finished good, sub-assembly, phantom items, standard components, like this. But Item origin will be 2 only, make or buy. So now, yes, you are the subject expert defining different items. You will know enabling, disabling item attributes. But in real time, in real environment, you will not define any items. You will just train them. You will guide them. If item is this, you define like this. Item is this, you define like this. But end user will will always maintain that list, what attributes need to enable, what attributes not to enable. No, he cannot. So that is the reason what you will do. What are the different items maintaining in business organization? You will define those many different templates. In those template, you will previously enable disabled item attributes. Now we will train them. Okay, you are defining suppose buy item, engine item. You apply this purchased item template. In purchased item template, previously what are attributes were enabled, disabled, those automatically enabled and disabled while defining the item. Okay, so that is what item template. So template is what? Where it exists some predefined information. Anywhere, template is that, right? Anywhere, template is where it will maintain some predefined information that you can apply anywhere, whenever it is required. So like this CATO item assembled to order, it's a manufacturing item. Likewise, some seeded templates you will find here also. Those templates also inheriting from root item class. So in real time, in real environment also, you will have some seeded templates. You don't worry. Same we can utilize it. If any new template is required, we can define our own. We can define our own. So this is also one important. Here I'll show you item. So this is one of the item template purchased item. See, this is assigned to organization. So these are all organizations. If you want to utilize this one to your organization, first you should verify. So this template available under your organization. See, it is inherited from root item class to my class under my master organization. You can utilize this. See how this template defined also you can verify. Under this template, you can see here unit of measures. See nothing here, a unit of measures selected. Item status not selected. Life cycle. So what does that mean? In future, when you apply this template on item while creating item, again you have to fill all these details, whatever required. And also here you don't have option to edit. Why? Because this is inherited from root item class. If you want to edit in root item class only, you have to edit. If you want, you can define your own item templates. Yes, you can define it. So you can take this as copy instead of defining manually. What here enabled, those will be copied. Later, you can enable some attributes. This is the purchased item. You can assign item to your inventory. LTMST, apply, done. Right, select OK. Now, see here, S2, PTO. Yeah, they're two available, right? User item type. So not this one. I was copied. Why it is not showing? From here, purchased item, we can assign to other organization. Okay. Hit template. So I'm copying. Okay, I'll do one thing. Yeah, I'm creating new first. So we underscore purchased item. So organization, my organization. Under which organization you want to utilize this? LT, MST. Okay. Select. Okay. This is my. Now here see you can select item status, life cycle phase, any user item type. These are all we can define our own. Okay. And unit of measure. I'll select each. So based on requirement only, you can select deviation factor 0, 0, and under specifications, you can select under manufacturing, what are attributes you want to enable it. I'm not going to enable under manufacturing. I'll enable under inventory. Inventory item, yes. Stockable, yes. Transaction enabled, yes. Likewise, based on business requirement only, we'll enable all this. Unnecessarily will not enable order management. Yes, this product I will sell to my customers. And also, I will transfer from one inventory to another inventory. Like this, you need to understand attribute concept. Item attribute functionality, you will enable. What happened? Scan. So likewise, you can define item template. It's not refreshing. Product management items, manage item class. So here my item class. Which was not saved. Okay, fine. So likewise, you can create it and you can apply it. So then save and once again, let me verify whether those uh, saved or not. Which is not available. Once again, I'm selecting person dot organization. Select actions. Yeah, okay. I'll just save it and so security has changed. What is the date and time? Why they changed? Schedule the process to rebuild. That's this. Select, okay. Okay. Some process is submitted. Once that completed, we can utilize this. Save and close. So now to define item, so unit of measure completed, item class completed, item phases completed. Okay, now we can start creating item. First, you verify under this product information work area whether this product item information is coming or not. So still it is not showing right here. Okay, and what I'll do, we need to assign some job role. What is the job role is required? Go to tools, security console. Tools, security console. Users. My user LT dot Ravi. And open this. Edit. Add rule. See, there are different job roles are there. Data steward manager, product manager, but user will have a access wise some difference. Okay, if provided only product manager role, you will have limited access. If provided data steward manager, you will have more access. So directly I'm assigning data steward manager, done, save and close. Also, whatever rules, if not immediately updated, taking time, So better you run here, run user and role synchronization process. You can run this. It is not required always. Sometimes, if you're facing, if not updated as expected, we can run. Okay. And let me sign out and sign in. Product information management. Still, it is not coming. It's taking time. Mhm. Yeah, it is not updated. Here you will find product information management, another app. When it is available, then we can start defining items. Yeah, we need to wait some time. So then again, we can, anything missing, we can verify it. Okay, it's okay. Here today, I'll stop the session here. We'll continue tomorrow session defining the items. So any questions? So hope you all received videos and link, right? Practice link.